Hello, friends! We continue from where we left off in this tutorial series. In this lesson, I will explain the alignment tools and how to use them. In the previous lesson, I talked about guides and rulers, and now we can say that this lesson is a continuation of those topics. Before we start, I want to show you where the alignment panel is located. The icon you see here will open the alignment panel. If you don't have this panel, you can activate it by going to the Window menu and selecting Align. Once the panel is open, you will see various alignment options. If you can't find the Align menu, don't worry. When objects are selected, these options will automatically appear in the control bar or the Artboard's panel. Let's talk a bit about alignment. In Illustrator, there are two types of alignment. The first is aligning objects to the artboard, and the second is aligning objects to each other. I'll explain both types of alignment to you. Aligning to the artboard means positioning objects within the document you're working on. For example, I'm working within a 4-size document right now, and I can align my objects to the edges or center of the document using the alignment panel. To do this, we select Align to Artboard and then choose one of the alignment options: Align left, center, align right, or align vertically. For instance, I will align my objects to the exact center of the document. As you can see, the objects are now centered both horizontally and vertically in the document. If you want, you can also align objects to the left or right edges of the document. For example, I will first align the objects to the left edge and then to the top corner. This is how you can align objects to the artboard. Now, let's talk about aligning objects to each other. To do this, we activate the Align to Selection option. This is used to align objects relative to each other. For example, I have selected 3 objects here, and I will align them by centering them vertically. As you can see, the objects are now centered vertically. You can also align them to the top or bottom edges. But there's something important to note when objects are aligned relative to each other. They all move. For example, some objects move up and others move down. To align to a key object, hold down the Shift key and click on the object you want to set as the key object. As you can see, the other objects will now align to this key object. Let's go ahead and align them, and now all the objects will be aligned according to the key object. For example, I will align the objects to the top corners. The key object will remain unchanged. As you can see, my objects are now centered both horizontally and vertically relative to the key object. It is also possible to align objects to each other in various directions. Now, let me explain how we can equalize the spacing between objects. For example, I have selected 3 objects and aligned them horizontally. However, as you can see, the spacing between the objects is not equal. To fix this, we will use the Distribute Spacing option. After applying this option, the spacing between the objects will be distributed equally. As you can see, we have successfully completed the alignment process. That's all for this lesson on alignment. In the next lesson, we will do additional exercises on alignment and cover more advanced alignment tools. See you in the next lesson. Take care, and goodbye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you.